say Java for Selenium, class 1, Java environment setup and Java program structure. Java environment setup and Java program structure. See, in this chapter we are going to discuss 3 topics. First topic, Java environment setup. Java environment setup. Next, Java syntax rules. Java syntax rules. Next, third topic, Java program structure. Java program structure. See, first I am taking Java environment setup. Java environment setup. Steps. See, first step, download Java software. Download Java software. Here you download JDK software. JDK, Java Development Kit, and install. Next, second step, set environment variable path. It is optional for our test automation. We are going to use Eclipse IDE. If you want to execute Java programs from command line prompt, then set environment variable path. I will show how to execute Java programs from command line prompt also. Set environment variable path. See, variable name also path variable. Next, third step, download Eclipse IDE. Download Eclipse IDE and extract. See, this Eclipse IDE for writing and executing Java programs. What is the purpose of Eclipse IDE? It is used to write and execute computer programs, Perl programs, Python, Ruby, PHP, etc. programs. Eclipse IDE is used to write computer programs, not only Java, Perl, Python, PHP, etc. programs. But in our scenario, Eclipse IDE for writing and executing Java programs. Eclipse IDE provides editor for writing programs and it provides syntax help, context help. Next, auto compilation, etc. facilities. See, syntax guidance, auto compilation, etc. facilities. See, these 3 steps. See, download Java from either java.com or oracle.com and install. Next, after installation, you can get Java folder. You can get Java folder where I'll show the path in C program files directory. Just a minute. See, Google search engine, Java download. See here, oracle.com, java.com. I'm selecting oracle.com. Here observe Dilpreet, Java platform JDK is there now. Mamata,
Yes, sir.
can you view?
Yes, sir, I can view.
Okay, cool. See here, right side, NetBeans with JDK. If you use NetBeans IDE, NetBeans editor, that is different. Instead of Eclipse, you can use NetBeans with JDK. See, we are going to use Eclipse. So you select left side one, Java platform, JDK. Click this image link. Here, accept the license agreement, free license only. Next, select your operating environment. Suppose my operating environment is Windows x86. If it is Windows 64-bit or Solaris or Linux or Mac, you select those executable files. Say mine is Windows 32-bit operating system. For that, Windows x86. See here, click this executable file, download. I already downloaded. After downloading, you can get this folder. Just a minute. Users, downloads. See, after downloading, you can get JDK, Windows 586. This is executable file. Click this file. Here it will navigate installation. Select yes and continue. I already installed that one. See, after installation, you can get Java folder in C program files. C drive, program files. Where is Java? See here, Java. Okay, now Virat.
Yes, sir.
Now Saloni, guide me how to download and install Java. Guide me, Saloni.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yeah, first we need to download JDK and install.
guide me the steps.
And from java.com or oracle.com.
Guide me the steps. First launch Google search engine. Here type Java download. Here select either java.com or oracle.com site. Suppose I am selecting oracle.com. Continue. Saloni, concentrate. You continue, Supriya.
Yes, sir. Then click on this Java platform link, the image link.
Image link, download.
Yes.
Next.
Then we have to accept the
license
the
agreement.
Free license.
Free license
Yes.
only. Next.
Yes.
Select the file based on your operating environment.
Yes, sir. Then we'll get a folder in C
not
program
folder.
file.
No, don't.
Sorry. Then we'll get a
Save the file. Save the file. This is executable file, not folder. Save the file.
yes, sir.
After saving the file, just a
We
minute.
have to run it.
Users,
Go to
downloads.
computer,
Here,
C drive.
JDK. You click this executable file and install. After installation, you can get Java folder in C program files. C drive program files. Here Java. Okay,
Java
na?
folder.
Java folder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, na? Dilpreet, any confusion?
No, sir, not now.
Okay. Say first step. Next, second step, set environment variable path. Set environment variable path. See, observe the navigation, Virat. Then you have to guide me. Navigation. Navigation. Select my computer. Select my computer. And right click. And right click. Next. Properties. Properties. Next. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Next, environment variable, environment variables, environment variables. Next, select path variable from system variables. Select path variable. If path variable available, select that one. Otherwise, you can create path variable. Path variable from system variables. See here, environment variables, two types: system variables, user variables. System variables. Next, edit. Next, copy Java bin directory path, bin directory path, and paste in variable value field. Next, OK. Next, again OK. OK. At end, close. See, this is the navigation for Windows operating system. If it is Mac or Linux, different navigation. Anyhow, it is optional for our test automation. Now guide me, Virat. Set environment variable path. Guide me from scratch.
So first of all, we are selecting my computer.
Select my computer.
Right click.
Right click.
Properties.
Properties.
And then advanced system settings.
Advanced system settings.
Then environment variables.
Environment variables. Here two types of variables. Top user
So
variables, bottom system variables.
system
First half
variables.
user variables, second half system variables.
So then we are selecting system variables.
Select path variable in
Path,
system variables.
correct. Copy that
Edit.
path.
Edit. First copy the paths. My computer, C drive, program files, Java, JDK bin, JDK bin directory path. Just a minute. JDK bin directory path. You take this path, next paste in this variable value
Value.
field.
Then
Okay,
okay. Again
okay,
okay.
okay.
And okay.
Close my computer. Okay, na?
Yep.
Now verify that one. Launch command prompt cmd. Just type Java compiler command. Java C. It is providing compiler details na. Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, otherwise you just type Java. It is providing details. Otherwise it will show error. Okay. Next step, download Eclipse. We will download later. First concentrate on command line prompt. See, write and execute Java program using command line prompt. See our exercises. First, write and execute a Java program from command prompt. Next example, write and execute a Java program using Eclipse IDE. Using Eclipse IDE, integrated development environment. See, first I am taking first example. Write and execute a Java program using command prompt. Okay. Say, for write and execute computer programs, we have three steps. First step 1, write a program. Second step 2, compile the program. What is compiling program? Saloni? Supriya, you put mute. Supriya. Continue, Saloni.
To run the program, we need to compile it first.
We need to compile. Okay. First of all, what is compilation? Ritesh, what is compilation? General topic. It is for any computer program.
Not exactly sure.
Okay, cool. Converting high level language into mission level language. See, in computer programs, we use high level language, English. English is high level language for computers. We use if, while, do, etc. words. Those are English words. Say, computer point of view, English is high level language. Computer understands things only in binary language. Computer point of view, everything is zeros and ones. Computer understands binary language only, not high level language, zeros and ones. Say this compiler converts high level language into binary level language, mission level language. Okay na, Supriya? Compiler converts high
Yes,
level
sir.
language into mission level
Machine learning.
language. Okay, compilation. Next step, execute. Step 3, run or execute. Run or execute the program. Execute the program. See, these are the steps. See, first I am taking write a program. See, don't concentrate on the syntax. Just I will use one simple program. Day by day, you can get more clarity. We will use complex programs also. We will write and execute complex programs also. Say for writing any computer program, editor required. Editor. Okay, in Windows, I am going to use Notepad as editor. Launch Notepad, Notepad. Launch Notepad. Next, write the program. Write the program. You don't concentrate on the syntax. Public class, suppose sample, open curly braces. I will explain syntax in next topic, and close curly braces. First class declaration. Next main method, public static. I will explain this syntax later. Public static void main, open parenthesis, string, square brackets, args, close parenthesis, open curly braces, close curly braces. Next, one display statement. See, system dot out dot println of any message. Hello Selenium. Hello Selenium world. Semicolon. Okay. Next, save as Java file. Save with Java extension. File, save as. Here, what is the class name? Sample. You save with same name. That is syntax rule that we will discuss later. Syntax rule. Okay. Type Java sample dot Java. Java extension. Save. Close. Okay. First step over. First step over. Next, compile. Launch command prompt. Launch command prompt. Just a minute. First, write a program. Just a minute. Take this program. Write Java program. Next, save with Java extension. save with Java extension. Next, second step, compile the program. Compile the program. Say how to compile the program. Launch command prompt. Just a minute. I will explain the steps. Launch command prompt. Next, change to Java program file directory. Change directory. Change to Java program file directory. Next, type Java compiler. Next, program. Just a minute. Program name dot extension Java. Next, what will happen? It creates Java class file. You can execute that class file. It creates Java class file. You can execute that class file. Guide me, Dilpreet. Guide me. Compiling the program from command prompt.
So write the sample program and then open the command prompt.
Writing another step. First step over. Now compiling the program. Program already there. Launch
Okay.
command prompt. Launch command prompt. Just a minute. Just a minute. Launch command prompt.
So change to Java directory.
Java file directory, not Java
Java
directory. Java file. Where Java file available? Java program
C
file. Just a minute. Not Java file. Already I told. Java program file.
program file directory.
Where Java program file available?
C program file.
Desktop na.
Okay.
See, we wrote the Java program file on desktop. Observe this one.
Okay.
You change to that directory. Just a minute. CD desktop. Okay. Now observe dir. Here sample Java file available na.
Yes, sir.
Next continue.
Java C sample Java sample.java
Java C space
sample.java
file name sample dot Java. Then what will happen if we enter?
It will produce an executable file.
It creates Java class file.
Class file.
Java class file. Okay. Observe just dir. Observe here sample.java available na?
Yes, sir. And
Sample.java. You can execute that Java file. Say once you create Java class file, you can execute this file from another environment also. You copy this Java class file and you can execute this file on another operating environment also. Getting this point? Same
Yes,
operating environment or another you copy this file and go to Linux or Mac, you can execute. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, third step. Observe Saloni, third step. What is the third step? Run or execute the program. Run or execute the program. Okay. Here from command line prompt, launch command prompt. Next, type Java. Java is command. Earlier we used Java C, Java command. Java. Next, program file name, extension not required. It considers class file only. Next, what will happen? Then it displays output, displays the output on the console. Displays output where? On the console, system console. Observe, just a minute. Java space, continue Saloni, Java space
sample.java.
What I told? Java, sample.java. Just program file name, extension not required. Earlier we used, for compilation we used extension, program name.java. Here just program file name. Isn't
Sample.
it?
Yes.
No extension. Sample. It will execute that class file. Enter. Observe Virat. It is providing output on the console now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, edit the program. Edit. See, select the sample.java and right click, edit. Suppose I am entering one more statement, one more step or statement. See, hello Java. Save the program, save. Next, run the program, Java sample. It won't update, I think. It won't update. See, it is showing Java Selenium world only. Why? Whenever you edit the program, again you need to compile. Again compile Java C space sample.java. Enter. Compiled. Now execute the program. Java space program file name sample. Enter. Now it is showing hello Selenium world and hello Java. Okay now? Mamata, are you getting?
Yes, sir, I am getting.
See, observe Suleiman. Write a program. Just a minute. Write a program, compile the program, and run the program. Any queries, Suleiman? Continue, Ritesh. What is your problem?
The file name should be the case sensitive or the
file name
like a
Java
sample.
Java sample.
Yeah.
Java sample. Sensitive.
Case sensitive.
First of all, Java is case sensitive language. Any queries, Ritesh?
No, got it.
Venkat, did you understand the concept? Write a program, compile the program, and run the program, and edit the program also. Edit also. See, if you edit the program, what are the steps? Just a minute. Guide me, Dilpreet. Edit Java program. If you edit Java program, Just tell me how to edit the program. See, select, otherwise open the file, open the program file, and edit. Next,
So compile the file.
compile again. See, compile the file. Next, run the file.
Execute.
Run or execute. Execute the file or program. Okay, I think all of you familiar with writing, compiling, next run the program as well as edit the program. Any queries, Mamata?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Next,
sir.
go to second example. Anyhow, in our test automation using Selenium, we don't use command line prompt. You no need to worry about this. Just for understanding point of view, I explained this concept. This is very basic. But in our test automation, we use Eclipse only. You no need to familiar with this concept. Just basic I explained. Next, take second example. This is our example. Say, write and execute a Java program using Eclipse IDE. See, Eclipse IDE. What is the purpose of Eclipse IDE? Saloni, what is the purpose of Eclipse IDE? Eclipse IDE. Eclipse integrated development environment.
To enhance the functionality of Java program.
To enhance the functionality in command, in Notepad also you can enhance the functionality. It won't say Eclipse IDE won't provide any extra functionality for Java. Only support. See, observe. Eclipse IDE is a platform to write and execute computer programs like Java, Perl, next Python, Ruby, hypertext preprocessor, PHP, etc. See, forget about remaining languages. Our usage is write and execute Java programs. Next, what is the advantage? It provides editor for writing programs. It provides editor for writing programs. Write programs one by one. Next, syntax guidance. Next, context help. Next, auto compilation. Say if it is a Notepad, write program, compile the program, then run the program. If we use Eclipse IDE, you no need to compile. Auto compilation. Just write the program and execute. Write program and execute. auto compilation, etc. Next, one more thing, it is open source. Eclipse IDE is an open source software. See, in our test automation using Selenium, we use all open source software only. Java also open source. Okay, now Madhumati, Eclipse IDE. Tell me what is Eclipse IDE?
Eclipse IDE is a platform to write and execute computer program files. And Eclipse IDE is a open source. And
what is the advantage of using Eclipse IDE?
It provides writing editors for writing programs, syntax guidelines, context help, auto compilation,
etc. Okay, na Dilpreet, regarding Eclipse IDE.
Yes, sir, clear.
Venkat. Virat. See, Venkat not responding. Next.
I'm good, sir.
Okay, Virat. Suleiman also not responding. Suleiman, at least can you hear me? Just type the confirmation.
Yeah.
Okay. See, are you comfortable with this this concept, Eclipse IDE? What is Eclipse IDE?
Yeah, it's a software to write programs. It's an IDE.
Okay. Venkat.
Sir, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, I am hearing you.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I understood the Eclipse IDE.
Okay, cool. All of you put mute. Suleiman, put mute. Venkat. Okay. See, download Eclipse IDE and observe, Mamta, no installation, just extract, download Eclipse IDE and extract. After extraction, you can get Eclipse launcher in Eclipse folder, launch the Eclipse and write and execute Java programs. Observe Saloni.
Yes, sir.
See, Eclipse IDE for Java download. All of you put mute. Somebody make noise. See, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. See, we have different flavors of Eclipse. Observe Dilpreet, left side. Neon packages, Mars, Luna, etc. available na?
Yes, sir.
You can download any package, no issue. Okay, next here. Just a minute. Here, right side, download links. You download Eclipse IDE based on your operating environment. See, Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, Mac OS, Linux, etc. environments available. Mine is Windows 32-bit operating system. If it is Windows 7 or Windows 10, 32-bit operating system, click this link. Just a minute. This Eclipse IDE site, free site na, very slow. Response very slow. Just a minute. Observe Saloni. Zip file is about to download na.
Yes, sir.
Save the file on hard disk. I already downloaded. Say after downloading, you can get zip folder. See downloads. See Eclipse. See I downloaded Eclipse Mars. You can download other flavors also. You can use any flavor. They support Java. See after downloading you can get zip folder. Extract this folder. Extract. See I extracted this folder to desktop. After extraction you can get this Eclipse folder. Observe, Virat, can you view this Eclipse folder on desktop?
Yes, sir, I can.
Open this folder. Here you can find Eclipse launcher. Here, this one, this symbol. Can you view this one, Eclipse launcher?
Yes.
Click this file, run, see Eclipse launching. Okay. Okay. Okay, now Dilpreet, just guide me how to download and extract Eclipse IDE.
Sir, from Google, search Eclipse IDE for Java developer.
See Eclipse IDE for Java. Okay. Next, select this Eclipse site also, www.eclipse.org, eclipse.org. Select this link. Next.
So based on the system Windows, if it is 32-bit, we'll be selecting 32-bit, or if it is 64-bit, then 64-bit.
Select this link. Next, save the file, zip folder on desktop, in computer. Save the file in computer. Then
extract it on the desktop.
Extract to anywhere, not only desktop. See, desktop is comfortable location. See, downloads. Next, select the folder, extract all. Here you can select required folder. Suppose I want desktop. See, desktop. Okay, I already extracted. Next, launch Eclipse IDE. Dilpreet, launch Eclipse IDE.
From the Eclipse folder where you have extracted the files.
Open the folder. Here Eclipse launcher is there now. File.
Yes, sir.
Click
yes,
the
sir.
file. Run. You close the folder. This one. You can close this Eclipse folder. Here it is showing workspace for storing our Java stuff. Click OK. See, this is Eclipse Mars flavor. You can download any flavor. Next, steps. Observe the steps, Saloni. Then you have to guide me. See, steps to write and execute a Java program using Eclipse IDE. See, first step, launch Eclipse IDE. Next step, create Java project. See, you cannot write program directly. See, hierarchy is there. First we need to create Java project. Next, create Java package under Java project. Create Java package. Next, you can create Java class. Class nothing but program here. Create Java class or interface. Interface we will discuss later. Don't concentrate on interface. For creating interface also same navigation. Create Java program or Java interface. See, this is the hierarchy we must follow. See, once you create Java project, this is one-time activity. Once you create Java project, you can create multiple packages in that project. Next, once you create one Java package, you can create multiple classes and interfaces in that package. See, Java project one Java project, under one Java project multiple Java packages, under one Java package multiple Java classes and multiple Java interfaces. Okay, now this concept, Saloni.
Yes, sir.
Next step, write Java program. Write Java program. Next, execute the Eclipse IDE provides auto compilation. See, Eclipse IDE provides auto compilation. You no need to compile, just run or execute the program. Run or execute the program. Run or execute the program. See, these are the steps, Saloni. Then guide me, Saloni. Guide me. First,
launch Eclipse. First we launch Eclipse IDE.
Just a minute. First launch Eclipse. See, Eclipse folder, Eclipse launcher, run. Okay. Close the Eclipse folder. Next, launched. Then guide me. How to create Java project. See, file menu, new Java project. Observe, Dilpreet. Suppose in some flavors of Eclipse, you cannot find this Java project item, menu item. If you don't find Java project item in your Eclipse flavor, suppose I installed, what is this Eclipse flavor? Eclipse Mars. Suppose if you install another flavor, Luna, etc., you can install any flavor, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then you can find file new Java project. If you don't find Java project, no problem. You can go to other. Here you can type Java. Here Java project is there now.
Yes, sir.
Here you can select. Say, come to the navigation, file menu, new, next sub menu, Java project item. Select this item. Enter project name. Suppose sample. Finish. Okay. Project created, Saloni. Project name sample. Na? Okay, I will use another name. You can use sample also, but it is not meaningful. See, file new Java project. Suppose Selenium testing. Finish. Project created Saloni. Next step, create Java package under Java project. Select Java project and right click, new package. Suppose package name Java examples. Java examples. Finish. Next, guide me Saloni. Project created, class. Package created. Next.
Create Java class.
Create Java class. Select Java package and right click, new class. Class. Here class name, for example, sample. Here you can generate main method. Otherwise, you can type main method. See, first we will type main method. Later we will discuss how to generate how to generate main method directly. See, finish. Okay. Here write Java program. Say public static void main string args, square brackets, args, open curly braces. Okay. Next, display statement. System dot. See, it is providing context help. Type O, select out dot. See, it is providing context menu. Can you view this menu? Context menu, Virat.
Yes, I can.
Print line. Select println. Next, within double quotes, hello Selenium world. You can use any message. Close double quotes. It is string type data. Semicolon already generated. Run. No need to compile. Just run the program. Just a minute. Just run the program. Here. Run. Otherwise, where run command available? Run. Run menu. Run. Run menu. Run. Otherwise, here toolbar option is there. Observe Saloni, toolbar option is there na run.
Yes.
Otherwise, go to run menu in Eclipse IDE. Here run command available. Okay, I'm selecting this run. Okay. Observe Dilpreet. It is providing hello Selenium world output in Eclipse console na.
Yes, sir.
This is Eclipse console. Say these are default fonts. I want to increase the font size. Okay, you can customize the Eclipse IDE. I want to increase the editor fonts as well as console fonts. See, console fonts also small. Observe. These are default fonts. How to customize? Go to window menu, preferences. Observe Venkat. Preferences. Next.
Yes, sir.
General appearance. Here colors and fonts. Here you select in debug console font. Here it is showing 10. Edit. Suppose I want 18. Okay. Apply. Next, editor font also. Editor. Here Java editor is there. Java editor text font. Here default font 10. Increase, edit. Suppose I want 18 or 20. Okay. Apply. Okay. Font increased na. Run the program. Hello Selenium world. Okay na? Venkat.
Yes, sir.
Venkat, guide me. Just a minute, Venkat. I am deleting this entire thing. Delete project contains on the disk. See, it stores on physical hard disk. I am deleting entire project content. I'm closing this one. Exit. Okay, now guide me, Venkat, from scratch. Write a job. My requirement is write a Java program using Eclipse IDE and execute. Write and execute a Java program using Eclipse IDE. Guide me.
Okay, go to desktop, open the Eclipse folder.
Eclipse folder.
And click on the Eclipse icon.
Click Eclipse. Run.
Run. Okay.
You can close this Eclipse main folder. Next, click OK. Next, create Java project. Observe.
And
create
go
Java
to file.
project, create Java package, one-time activity, isn't it?
Okay.
You no need to create project and package for every class. Once you create, you can create multiple classes. Guide me how to create Java project.
Go to file.
File.
And new. Java project.
Java project. Suppose if you don't identify Java project in this menu, here Java project item available. Suppose if item not showing, then how to create Java project?
Maybe you can right click and see. I don't know.
Go to others.
Who is telling?
Madhumati sir.
Madhumati. Go to other.
Go to others.
Here type Java. Type Java. Here select Java project. Okay,
okay.
na? Okay. In this flavor available, file, new, Java project. Concentrate, Venkat.
Okay.
Java project. Continue, Venkat.
Type any project name.
Project name. Suppose Selenium testing. Finish.
Finish.
Okay, now project created. Next step, create Java package.
Okay, then select and right click on Selenium testing.
Select Java project, name whatever it might be. Select Java project and right click. New package.
Okay.
Package name. Suppose Java examples. And one more thing, you can create multiple packages under a project. Suppose another package ABCD. Finish. Okay, now I want to create a Java class under Java examples package. Guide me. Select Java
then right click
example.
on the Java example.
And right click
on the Java example. And go to new. And create a class.
Select class.
Select a class, sorry.
Here enter class name. Suppose sample. Click finish.
Okay.
Next, suppose main method. Public static void main. I will explain each and every keyword. String square brackets, args, open curly braces, next system dot out dot println any message, hello Selenium world. Next, run the program. Run the program, Venkat?
You can do it in two types. Go to the toolbar, run.
Toolbar, here run available.
Run.
Otherwise, run menu,
In menu.
Run menu, run
Okay.
command. Okay. Okay. It is showing output hello Selenium world. Suppose I'm editing this, edit the program. I'm editing this program. I'm adding one more statement. Out dot println hello Java. See, you can edit existing statements. Suppose hello Selenium world. I'm removing this world. Hello Selenium, hello Java. No need to compile, auto compilation. Just run the program. Hello Selenium, hello Java. Okay na?
Okay.
Next Supriya, how to customize the Eclipse IDE? Suppose increase or decrease fonts and colors. How to do it?
Yes, sir. Go to the window
Window menu,
preferences.
Here select general,
Then general
appearance,
appearances,
general appearance, colors and fonts.
colors and fonts.
Here select Java editor. Next edit the font style and size. Okay. Next in debug, here console font is there. Observe here. Just a minute. Say first select colors and fonts. Just a minute. See. Okay, Virat. See window. You continue, Venkat. Window, preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Here, just a minute. Java is there na?
Yes, sir.
You collapse Java, select Java editor, edit, select font style and size. Okay. Next, debug, collapse debug, console font, edit, select font style and size. Okay. At end, apply. Okay.
Apply. Okay.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
See. Observe Dilpreet. Any queries, Dilpreet? Earlier we used command prompt, this time Eclipse IDE. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Creating a Java program and execute. What about you, Ritesh? Any queries, Ritesh? Madhavi, I think joined lately. Madhavi, did you understand this concept? Creating a program in Eclipse IDE and execute?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, say this is about first topic, Java environment setup. Java environment setup. Next, come to second topic, Java syntax rules. See.
Sir, 1 second. When I tried to do the same thing, I got an error. Java was started but returned exit code 13. Do I need to download and install again with a different one?
You try with the other one. See, that is an environmental issue, not program issue.
Okay. I mean, do I need to change any environmental variable?
See, you don't execute and run while my explanation. After the class, you try. If you find any problems, mail me. Then I will rectify the problem. That is environmental issues. After the class only, you create programs and run. Okay, na?
Okay.
You don't practice while class session. Okay, na?
Okay.
See. Second topic, Java syntax rules. Java, put mute. All of you put mute. Somebody still making noise. Okay. Java syntax rules. Java syntax rules. Say, first one, Java is a case-sensitive language. Java is a case-sensitive language. Java is a case-sensitive language. Madhavi, what is the meaning? Java is a case-sensitive language. What is the meaning?
That means like we need to make sure that if it's lower or upper cases.
See, difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase values, na? In case of variables, operators, and other Java keywords, case sensitive. Difference is there between uppercase and lowercase values. I think Mamata familiar with UFT, formerly QTP, na? Mamata, we use VB script in UFT, na? What about VB script? Is it case sensitive language or not case sensitive?
It's not a case sensitive
language. VB script is not a case sensitive language. No difference between uppercase and lowercase values. But Java is a case sensitive language. All Java keywords, example if, for, do, while, all Java keywords are small letters only, case sensitive. Say for variables, you can use uppercase or lowercase, but you have to use same values, case sensitive. See, Java is a case sensitive language. See, uppercase is different, lowercase is different. VB script is not case sensitive. Next, C language also case sensitive. Okay, na? Virat.
Yes, sir.
Next, first letter of class name should be in uppercase. Observe this point, Supriya. First letter.
Yes, sir.
First letter of class name should be in uppercase. Second letter onwards, you can use small letters, no issue. Okay, na? First letter of class name should be in uppercase. Remaining letters, you can use small letters. Next, method names should start with lowercase letter. Method names should start with lowercase letter. This is another rule. Next, Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Observe this point, Dilpreet. Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Earlier we used class name sample, program file name also sample na?
Yes, sir.
Java program file name should exactly match with class name. If you use another name, it will show error. It won't execute. Next, Java program execution starts from main method, which is mandatory in every Java program. If you don't write main method, program won't be executed. Say, Java program execution starts from main method. It is built-in method, main method, which is mandatory in every Java program. Next, every statement or step should end with semicolon symbol. Every statement, normal statement. Main method is not statement, that is code block. See, every statement, or you can say step, every step should end with semicolon. What is the symbol of semicolon? This one. Next, code blocks, condition blocks, if condition, or loop blocks, loop for, while, etc. Next, method blocks. See, code blocks. Example, conditions, loops. Next, method declarations, etc. Code blocks enclosed with curly braces. See, these are the important Java syntax rules. Can you tell me, Dilpreet, what are the important Java syntax rules?
So Java is case sensitive.
Java is a case sensitive language. Next.
First letter of class name should be uppercase.
Next.
Method name should start with lowercase letter.
Next.
File program name should exactly match with class name.
Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Next.
Methods should be in curly braces.
Say Not only methods, code blocks enclosed
Code
with
blocks.
curly braces.
Code blocks.
Code blocks,
Code
if it is
blocks.
condition block or loop block or method block or constructor block. Okay. Next.
All lines should end with a semicolon.
You forgot one important one. Java program execution starts from
a main method.
Main method, which is mandatory in every Java program, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, now Virat, regarding this Java syntax rules, important Java syntax rules.
Yes, sir.
Venkat.
Yes, sir.
What about you, Suleiman? Suleiman. Okay. All of you put mute. After answering the question, put mute. Okay. See, next, go to third point. Third topic in this chapter. Java program structure. Java program structure. See, I will explain Java program structure. Day by day, we will create and execute Java programs. You can get more clarity. Just follow the basic syntax. See, first sections I will explain, then I will provide sample program also. See, first one, documentation section. Documentation section. It is optional, but best practice. If you don't write any comments, say here we write comments, document the program, say purpose of the program and how it execute, program flow. You can write in this documentation section, you can write flow of the program and purpose of the program so that anybody can understand the program. We write documentation section as comment. It is not mandatory, optional only, but best practice, standard. Next section, package declaration statement. Package declaration. See, it will generate, Eclipse IDE generates automatically package declaration statement. Observe the example, Virat, Madhavi. Observe, where is that program? We closed that one. Just a minute. Launch Eclipse. Observe, Madhavi. First package declaration statement is there now?
Yes, sir.
See, above this package declaration, here you can write documentation. Say purpose of the program, next flow of the program, any relation with other programs, etc. See, this package, this is package declaration. Next, import statements. Import statements. See, in this program, in this sample program, I didn't use any imports. If you want to import any built-in libraries, you can write import. See, import statements. What is the purpose of import? Import statements. We import built-in and user-defined libraries. See, we import built-in and user defined. Suppose you already defined, you can import user defined libraries using import small letters, import keyword. This is Java keyword. Example, observe Dilpreet. Example, suppose, just a minute. Import Java dot io dot console. Import java dot io dot console semicolon. See, it is showing yellow marking, means we are just importing, not using this class. If we use this one, it will remove. Yellow marking, no issue. If it is red marking, syntax error. Just a minute. I will explain this one. Import. Another way, import java dot lang dot star semicolon. Observe these two statements. See, day by day you can get more clarity. Now just I am introducing a basic structure of the Java program. See here, import. What is import, Dilpreet? It is a Java keyword, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is a Java keyword to import libraries. Next, Java. What is Java? Java is project, built-in project. It is project. Next, what is IO? IO is package under Java project. What is console? C capital. What is console? Console is class. Observe Madhavi. Selected statement. Import space java dot io dot console, meaning we are importing console class under IO package under the Java project. Then you can use available reusable components, methods, etc. Reusable components from console class to your current class. Getting this point, Madhavi? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Next, another syntax is there. Here lang dot, we provided a regular expression, means I want to import all classes from lang package. See, in the first syntax, I am importing only console class from IO package. Next, I want to import all classes from lang package. So you no need to write multiple import statements. Just package name dot star. It will import all classes from the package. Virat, any confusion? This import?
No, clear, sir.
Okay. Say documentation section, package declaration statement, next import statements. Import optional. If you want to use any built-in libraries or user defined libraries, you can write import statements. Where we write import statements, that we will discuss in practical Future chapters, just try to understand the basic syntax. Next, fourth one, class declaration statement. Class declaration statement. See, it will generate automatically, but structure, this one, public class sample. This is class declaration statement. See here, public. What is public? It is access modifier. See, I will explain access and non-access modifiers in Java modifiers chapter. Just remember, public modifier. If we use public modifier, you can access this class from any other classes, from any other packages, etc. This is public, accessible from anywhere. Next, class. It's a Java keyword. Or you can say a reserved word, Java keyword or a reserved word to declare the class. Next, sample. What is sample, Madhavi?
Class name, sir?
Class name, good. Class name. You can use any meaningful name. Class name. Here, class name should start with uppercase value. Uppercase. Class name. Next, it is block. So, curly braces. Enclosed with curly braces. Okay, na Madhumati? Class declaration statement, Madhumati.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
So you said example for how to, 1 second. Yeah. How to import the one class, and you said
one class are all classes from any package.
Yeah, so if I want only some amount of classes, so what I
some
have to do
amount of classes, no syntax available.
Oh, okay.
Only a single class, units. Class is one unit, package is one unit. No some amount of class, no that syntax. Okay,
no, I'm asking like in a package there is 10 classes. So I want to use only 5 classes.
Oh, so only 5 classes, you write 5 statements. No partial.
I need to write 5 statements. Oh, okay.
Otherwise, try to use regular expression. Suppose common names are there, class names, try to use regular expression. Otherwise, write multiple import statements only.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. See, if you want to import some classes only from any package, no direct syntax available. You write multiple import statements, or you try to use regular expression if class names are common. If class names are different, you need to write multiple statements or steps only. Mamata, this fourth one, okay na?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, next fifth one, main method. You take that main method, it is fixed. Main method. This is also code block. Here Public. You know what is public? It is access modifier. Access modifier. Next, static. Static. Non-access modifier. Non-access. Just a minute. Non-access modifier. Next, what is the purpose of the static? See, usually observe Venkat, how we access methods. If you want to access methods, object required, object dot method. Usually we access methods using objects. Suppose if you want to access methods without object, then use static non-access modifier in a method declaration. See,
Okay.
this purpose is use main method without invoking any object. Without invoking any object. Getting this point, Madhavi? Here in this main method, we are not using any object now.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
See, usually how we access methods? Using objects now. Object dot method. Mamata.
Yes, sir.
Why we are using static non-access modifier in this scenario? To use main method. To use main method without invoking any object.
Okay.
Next, void. Void, it is keyword, returns nothing. See here, main method, generally some methods returns values. Just a minute. Returns nothing. See, some methods return value, some methods won't return any value. That we will discuss in methods chapter. Just remember, if you use void keyword, it returns nothing. Here, main method, no need to return any value. Just it starts the program execution. Here, no returning value, only performing operation. No returning value. See, methods have two different purposes. One is performing operations and returning value. Some methods only for performing operations. Some methods for performing operations and returning value, that we will discuss in methods chapter. Here try to understand this concept. Here main method won't return any value. We are using void keyword. Void means returns nothing. You just perform operations. Here what is the main method operation? Executing the Java program. Next, main. What is main, Virat? This is just a method name, built-in method. Built-in method. Next, this string args is the parameter to the main method. See, in our test automation using Selenium, we don't use any arguments, but you have to type this string square bracket args. In our test automation, generally we don't use parameter. How to use parameter, that we will discuss later, but we don't use parameter in Selenium testing. Is a parameter to the main method. We don't use in our test automation using Selenium. This is main method. Observe Virat, tell me main method, the selected one. What is public? Virat, tell me what is public? Suleiman not responding.
Yes.
Tell me, Suleiman, what is this public? Selected one.
It's an access modifier.
It is the access modifier. What is static?
Static. Let's say
Non-access modifier.
Yeah.
Void is Java keyword, returns nothing. Main is method. What is the purpose of static non-access modifier, Madhavi?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of static in this scenario? Concentrate, Madhavi.
It's use main method without invoking any object.
Yes.
Sir.
Use main method without object. Okay. Next section. Okay, na Dilpreet, did you understand the concept?
Sir.
Next, declarations. See, usually we declare variables and constants. See, what is constant, that I will explain in variables chapter. Constants, variables, purpose same, storing the data, but one difference is there. Variable values may vary throughout the execution, but constants never change. Fixed value for entire program. You cannot change the constant values. See, in our test automation using Selenium, most of the time we use variables only. Whenever required, you can use constant also. Anyhow, now we are not discussing variables and constants in this chapter, just a program syntax. We declare variables and constants. Observe, Mamata, in VB script also constants are there na?
Yes, sir.
We declare constants using const statement in VB script. We declare variables in dim statements in VB script. In VB script also constants are there. Okay. Suppose variables declaration. Int is data type. Int a semicolon. A equal to 100 semicolon. Otherwise, you can use this syntax. Int a equal to 100. Declare the variable and assigning value in the single statement. Next, I want multiple variables. Int a, comma b, comma c, semicolon. Later you can assign values. A equal to 10, comma, b equal to 20, comma, c equal to 30. Example. Next, or in the same statement you can assign values. Declaration and assigning values. Initializing values. Initialization. Declaration and initialization. A equal to 10, int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 20, comma c equal to 30, semicolon. Observe, Mamata, any confusion? Variable declaration?
No, sir.
This int is, what is this int? Data type.
Data type.
What is this A? Variable name. What is this 100? Value. Value. Integer value. Okay, not only integer type. Suppose char A equal to character type data. Char A equal to single quote A semicolon. Okay. Next, declaration of constants. Constants. Say constant values fixed. Constants values fixed. Here we use final keyword. Final int. Suppose B. Final int B. If you use constant, you need to initialize the variable, otherwise error. Suppose B equal to 100. This is correct syntax. Correct. Observe Dilpreet. Suppose if we use like this, first declare the constant final int C semicolon C equal to 100 semicolon. This is incorrect, na?
Yes, sir, this is incorrect.
See, you need to initialize the constants at the time of declaration only. If it is variable, you can initialize variables at the time of declaration or after declaration. Okay. You observe this point, Saloni. We can initialize Java variables at the time of declaration or after declaration. But what about constants?
Constant value is fixed.
Constant value fixed. We have to initialize constants at the time of declaration only. Okay. See, this is declarations. Next, seventh one, normal statements or general statements. Normal statements. Suppose D equal to A plus B. This plus is operator. This is one normal statement. This is normal statement. Next, print statement. Suppose system dot out dot println of D. It displays value of the variable. Value of the variable. If it is message, use double quotes. If it is variable, don't use double quotes. Just plain. What is system? What is system? System is built-in class, predefined class. See, we didn't import anything. Observe, Madhumati, we didn't import anything, but this is built-in. See, some packages built-in, some packages we need to import. See, this is common. Output statement common for every program. That's why built-in.
Okay.
What is the built-in package? What are the remaining packages that we will discuss later? Just remember this system. If you want to use this output statement, you no need to import anything. Why? It is built-in. See, system is, see it built-in package loads in every Java program automatically. You no need to import. Say system. System is class name, built-in class. Next, out. What is out? Out is object. What is println? Println. Println is method. Say we are accessing println method from using out object from system class. This is built-in class. These are normal statements. Next, code blocks. Code blocks. See, in code blocks also you can use normal statements. In code blocks again you can declare variables. See what programming features we use in main program, all can be used in code blocks also. You can declare variables in code blocks. You can use operators in code blocks. You can use print statements and normal statements in code blocks. See code blocks. Here you can write based on your program requirement. Condition blocks, one or more. Next, loop blocks. Next, method blocks. Next, constructor blocks. Etc. See, this is the basic structure of Java program. Here already we discussed every normal statement should end with semicolon. The symbol is this one. Next, every normal statement should end with semicolon. Next, every code block enclosed with curly braces. Every code block should enclosed with curly braces. Okay na Madhavi? Program structure. Tell me the Java program structure. Then I will show example. Tell me. First.
Declaration, sir.
Declaration. First documentation.
Yeah, documentation. Static.
Documentation section. This is optional. Next. Package declaration statement. Next. Third one. Import statements, one or more if required. Next, class declaration.
Class declaration statements.
Next,
main method.
Next, declarations, variables and constants declarations. Next,
normal
statements. Next,
code
blocks. Here condition blocks, loop blocks, method blocks, etc. Okay na? Here every normal statement should end with semicolon. Every code block should enclose with curly braces. Okay na? Say I will show one sample program. Concentrate. Mamata, concentrate. I'm taking new class in the same package package Java example, create new class, suppose sample2. Observe Mamata, here option is there na, checkbox, public static void main. You can generate main method while declaring the class, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise you can type, say I generated using while declaration. Okay. See, first one, what is the first one? Documentation section. It is optional but best practice. See, forget about this. You don't concentrate on this comment syntax. I will explain comment syntax in comments chapter. See, we can use single line comments and multiple lines comment, that I will explain in comments chapter. See, it is a sample program. It is a sample program to understand Java program structure. Put mute Suleiman. Java program structure and syntax. Okay. First one, package declaration. Documentation section. Documentation section. Documentation section. It is optional but best practice. Next, package declaration. Next, import. Okay, in this program we are not using any built-in classes, predefined classes, just understanding point of view. Import java.io.console, single class. Next, entire package. Import java.lang.star, entire package. Next, class declaration. Next, method, main method. Next, variables and constants declaration. Variables and constants declaration. Variables and constants declaration. Say int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30, d. Just I initialized 3 variables, 4th variable not initialized, just declared. Variables declaration. Otherwise, just write C. After that, you can initialize. Next, constants. Observe this one, first one. Variables declaration. Declaration and initialization. Initialization for some variables, not all variables. For some variables. Next, this statement, initialization. Next, final small letter, int money. Money is variable name, equal to 100 semicolon, constant declaration. Next, suppose normal statements, D equal to A plus B plus C semicolon. Next, if you want to print D, see short form of the shortcut to this print statement, SYSO control space enter. SYSO control space enter. Otherwise you can type entire statement D. Otherwise you can use message with variable value. Message with variable value. Addition of A comma B comma C is just, this is message. Concatenate, here plus operator acts as concatenation operator. See, that we will discuss in operators chapter. See, in the 19th line, plus operator for addition. In the 20th line, plus operator for concatenation. That I will explain in operators chapter. Just D. Okay. Next. SYSO control space money. It will display this constant value. Next, suppose you can declare, you can display variable value also. Just C. See, it will show 30, 100. What is the first output? Supriya.
60, sir.
Message with variable value. Addition of A comma B comma C is, what is the value? A comma B comma C. A 10, 30, 60 na?
Yes, sir.
60. See, just try to run this program, partial code. Say addition of A comma B comma C is 60, 100, 30. Okay, just a minute.
Sir, here what is the need of final int money?
That is constant. It won't change. Here you don't concentrate on purpose of constant, purpose of variables, purpose of conditions. Just try to follow the syntax.
Okay, sir.
Who is asking?
Supriya.
Supriya. What is the purpose of constants? If you want to use any fixed value, you can declare constant. It won't change. Suppose variables value vary. Observe. What is the C value? C value 30 na?
Yes, sir.
After some time you can change that value. Suppose C equal to 1, 2, 3. Next, SYSO control space enter C. Observe. See, for this 23rd statement C value 30. For 25th statement C value 1, 2, 3. Variable values may vary throughout the execution. It is showing 1, 2, 3 na?
Yes, sir.
If you try to change that money, suppose money equal to some 200. It is showing error na?
Yes, sir.
See, remove final modifier error. Means Constants never change.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you want to use fixed value for entire program, you use constant. If you want to change the values, then you can use variables. And one more thing, you no need to change variables. That is not mandatory. You can use fixed value for variables also, but they may change. But constants won't change. Getting this point?
Okay, sir.
Any confusion? Ask me, Supriya. Say confidently.
No, sir, I'm fine.
Okay. Next, condition blocks. See. Condition block. You don't concentrate on this purpose. Just try to understand this syntax. If, anyhow, that I will explain in conditional statements chapter. Loop statements chapter. Methods chapter. Methods chapter takes nearly 3 hours. See, built-in methods, user-defined methods. If condition, if A greater than B, open curly braces, close curly braces, then any meaningful message. A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, else, open curly, all of you put mute after typing this one, you ask else, for example, B is a big number. B is a big number. Try to understand. A value 10, B value 20. Definitely it will show B is a big number. B is a big number. For example, suppose A 100, B 20. Then it will show A is a big number. A is a big number. Observe Madhavi. A equal to 10, B equal to 10. What is the output? Condition output.
I think it picks up the first one. A is a big number, sir.
No. Condition false now. If condition is false, then it will execute else part blindly. So B is a big number. B is a big number now. See, B is a big number. It is correct or not, forget about that one. If condition is false, then blindly computer program execute else part. Getting?
Yes, sir.
This is condition block. Next, loop block. Loop block. Suppose I want to print 1 to 10 numbers for int I. This is local variable. Within the block only it can be used. Int I equal to 1 semicolon I less than or equal to 10 semicolon, no commas, semicolon, I plus plus increment. Then I want to print 1 to 10 numbers, Dilpreet. Then what is the print statement?
It's system out.
Just I. Observe. Run the program. See, printing 1 to 10 numbers. Isn't it? Next, method. See, you don't concentrate on purpose. Just try to understand the method declaration and usage. Observe Madhavi. We declare methods before main method. We declare methods before main method and we access methods after main method. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
We declare methods before main method, access methods after main method. Okay, before main method. Before main method. Say method without returning any value. See, observe. Create a method with returning a value. See, your method is, it is to multiply, just last 5 minutes, three numbers is to multiply three numbers. Say public int, method name start with lowercase. You can use any meaningful name. Multiply, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This is method syntax. Open curly braces. Next, int result. This is local variable. Int result equal to a plus b. A already there in program level. A plus multiplication. A multiply b multiply c, semicolon. It is showing this one. We have to use static variables. Otherwise, use parameters. Just a minute. Int a, int b, use parameters. Int c. Next, return statement. Return result, semicolon. Observe, Madhavi, this result is local variable. Within the block only it can be used. Next, these int a, b, c, these are parameters. I'm declaring one more method. Just try to understand. Create a method without returning any value. I don't want to return any value, but just perform operation value. Say public, it won't return any value. Return type, no return type. Just return type nothing. Void, suppose add, open curly braces. Here I am declaring two local variables, int x, y. These are local variables. X equal to, anyhow, that we will discuss in variables chapter. Local variables, class variables, reference variables, etc. X equal to 10, comma, y equal to 20. X equal to 10, semicolon. See, within the methods also you can write conditions. If x greater than y, then display x is a big number. Else, open curly braces, close curly braces, else y is a big number. Okay. Next, access methods. Say if you want to access methods, first you create object. After main method, concentrate the syntax. Concentrate on the syntax. Dilpreet, create object. Create object. How to create object? First follow the syntax. Create object. Create object. See class name. Next object name user defined equal to new keyword, same class name, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. This is the syntax. Syntax to create object. Here create object in this class, Madhavi. Here class name is sample2. Create object. Class name, object name. Suppose ABCD equal to new class name, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Next, you can access methods using this object. You can access methods using this object. Suppose first method returns value na. Take one variable int z equal to multiply object required na. ABCD dot type m, select multiply. Here you can use 3 arguments. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say this method for multiplying 3 numbers. Any 3 numbers. You can pass parameters. Any lengthy number also no issue. Suppose if it is a long integer, you need to change the data type. Okay, this number, semicolon. Put mute. Next, one more method is there na. Method without returning any value. Create method. This is access. User defined methods. Using object. Next, one more thing also there na. What is that one? Add obj. It won't return any value, just perform operation. Obj dot sorry, not obj. What is the object name here? ABCD. ABCD dot add. ABCD dot add. Run the program. What is the problem? Y is a big number. What is this value? Addition of a comma b is 60. Method declaration, multiply this one. Next, main method, object. Okay, run the program. Observe Observe Dilpreet, this first value, multiplication, 3 numbers. Next, y is a big number. This is another method. I am changing meaningful name. Yadna, just to use, suppose, comparison. Method name, comparison. Here you try to use comparison. Okay, just add is not meaningful, that's why. Observe Dilpreet, first output, that multiplication method na?
Yes, sir.
Second output, comparison method na?
Yes, sir.
Third output, normal statement, addition of a comma b comma c is 60. Next, 100, this is constant value, 30 c value. Next, we changed the c value again, c value is 123. Next c value 123. Next, condition block, b is big number. Next, loop block, print 1, 2, 3 numbers. Getting the output now?
Yes, sir.
Any queries?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay, remaining people, any queries? Earlier somebody trying to ask?
No query.
Any queries, Ritesh?
No, sir, I'm good.
What about you, Virat?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, see, tomorrow at the beginning of the class, once again I will explain this sample program. Today time is limit now, that's why I'm not going to elaborate description or explanation. Tomorrow once again I will explain this program. What about this program, Supriya? You understand the concept? Providing all outputs ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any queries? We'll meet tomorrow. Any queries, Saloni? Quick, Dilpreet, Madhavi.
No, sir.
Madhavi.
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm
Madhavi.
good. Thank you, sir.
Madhumati.
No, sir, I'm good.
Mamata.
Good, sir.
Saloni.
I am good, sir.
Okay, cool. Suleiman.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Supriya.
Yes, sir, I'm okay.
Venkat.
Yes, sir. I'll check the notes, sir.
You will check. Once again, tomorrow at the beginning of the class, I will explain this Java program. Virat.
Yes, sir.
Any queries?
No, I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay. See, we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.